Welcome back, guys, Crypto Follow channel. Today I would like to show you the global updates of my main bull plan what I shared a year ago for LTC with my customer Chris. Let's dive in. First of all, I highly recommend you not skip the posts and track all of that tokens what I shared totally for free on Telegram channel, on YouTube, global bull run plans, because we just mark the levels, identify the accumulation distribution zones, and track that levels for the next 2, 3, 5 years. You know, depends of the targets and charts situation current one. So take a look. This was a global plan what I shared in May 2023 for LTC. And this is absolutely the same feed, the same levels on the chart what you can track now. So here was a top. It's on a Binance, May 2021. One more example, and I remind you, personally for me, the spring of 2021 was the real end of bull run for altcoins and for BTC. After that, BTC just formed double top and going down into the bear market. A lot of people count the bear market from autumn 2021, but this is it, was the end of bull run. And globally, we are like in the downtrend now over than 1,300 days. So it's crazy. It's really crazy. So this is a chart from Binance signed December 17. If we track the global chart, Litecoin looks like this one. So this is a global chart. I also explained it you on a global one. And yes, LTC can hit the new all-time high, you know, and form a three-rise pattern. So three-rise pattern, it's when we hit third top and it can be drop again. When, and nobody knows, guys. So for example, if it will be, let's say September, October 2025, it can be like here around 466 per coin. If it will be the April 2025, it can be 459. 27 block, like you remember, it's okay. It's not okay. It's usually the best zone to buy tokens for accumulation, like investment. We talk not about a speculation or so intraday. It was a global zone for accumulation. In that zone, we traded around with bounces, right? We touched 910 days. A lot of tokens traded over than 900 days around that block. You can open a lot of tokens chart and find out absolutely the same model. So top, drop, bounce, and long time consolidation, some with bounces or without. So you could accumulate it here. That's why the whales needed time. They accumulated here, accumulated here, accumulated here, 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 here. So they build the average entry. So for example, it's can be like $66. Then they push the price to 144, withdraw initial deposit, dump it, and now with the free tokens, then can ride to the next targets and even to the new all-time high. So that's the point how the smart money works. So they not chase by the deep all the time. They need the timing, you know, because their position, their deposit so huge, right? And they can't just press buy market, because if they will, it will be just one big green candle like this one. That's why they needed time for accumulation. Shake out your positions, you know, play it out with your emotion, and then distribute higher, bring the FOMO, post some in the paid media, some super hype around LTC. You remember about Litecoin, Walmart could invest something or accept the LTC. It was a fake news. It was just a madness how they manipulate the price, how they manipulate the media. So the next all-time high can be, or actual highs, 413 or 595. So that's it. And now we are not so far from again accumulation zone. So 18 level 65 was here. Now we're like 60% from the main accumulation zone. Can we drop again inside this zone? Guys, easily. We can drop even to $38. Why not? But based on seasonality, I think we'll see like consolidation. So impulse, correction, impulse, correction impulse will be the last one. So next target, it's next monthly gap is here, this one, 153, and fulfill 181, 187, it's only 23 level by Fib. So that's it, guys. 0.5 level by Fib, it's 265, and new all-time high, if we will see the new all-time high, 595. If we check on the line chart, the chart looks like this one. So let's use this one, this one. So maybe yes, maybe with some week we can test 595. But keep in mind, we can, for example, test just the top and reject again at 492. We can't know the date, you know. So it can be the October, for example, 482. It can be the let's say this one, May. So it can be 474. It's hard to say now, you know. So keep in mind. Yes, of course, we see some hype about the XRP, some Dino tokens pump it, but guys, not all tokens should pump to new all-time high, just in case. But yes, I think in media, we will see soon some crazy news about it. Maybe some rumors about ETF on LTC or so. So zone of accumulation was here. Accumulate now or not, up to you. Like usual, guys, next step is monthly gap, 0.5 and way higher targets. Let's take a look with my customer said. What do we else do now? Guys, this is just the updates of a global plan. So I'm not repeating all the same information, you know, I just repeat updates for the people who watched the main video. So if you skip it, the main video, I highly recommend you go and check the May summary 3 here in this area. I shared with you the video. So a year ago, over than a year ago. So this is accumulation, this accumulation, and this is this on direction. Now no accumulation, nothing. We need to see to start distribute LTC. We need to see something like this one to start out of that token step by step. ADZ, here's accumulation. So let's check $47 comfortable price for the whales. Next step, it's 59.89 comfortable price, and the next one is 65. So they build the average entry. Now the price 105. So or they already could withdraw initial deposit. Now they can ride with the free tokens. To buy now or not, up to you. You know, everything should be in time. You can't, like I repeat, you can't hop in, for example, here and think it's just the beginning of the bull run or uptrend. No, we got accumulation zone, distribution zone. So technically, this is on ADZ on a weekly, it's a distribution. Based on the market mood, we need to see some like this crazy long road madness, euphoria, then drop. Now it's just the beginning, so we can climb it up like this one to the top, then crash it down again. So monthly time frame. This is just a hope, just like a positive for this token. So no awareness is nothing. So this is definitely not a euphoria for LTC. So everything okay, guys, everything okay. With the correction, with local correction, global correction, this is not an end of bull run for this token. Here's what's money outflow, money outflow, money outflow. Here's the money inflow. To start fix your profit, we need to see the money outflow on the monthly time frame from LTC. And here, 1, 2, 3. So they not chase to sell at the top. They distribute step by step, 1, 2, 3 months money outflow. Here at 331. Then they put the price to 410, but the main position they distributed earlier. That's why let's add alert to the money outflow on the monthly. So we will track where probably we need to start prepare our bags to distribute our tokens. Monthly time frame, sell, buy back. No signal to sell. Everything okay. Of course, would be good to see the signal to buy on a monthly, but unfortunately, no signals. Sell, buy back, accumulation, sell. Drop, accumulation, sell. Would like to see some signals to triangle up. Some accumulation. Again, last indicators take profit. Guys, I highly recommend you use this indicator set because it shows you a lot of data. It's you don't need to solve complicated charts. It's helpful tool to understand the accumulation distribution position by whales. So weekly time frame, now it's $52.84. This one I don't think so will drop to that level again. On the weekly, daily time frame here. Buy line on the daily at this current moment 57.63. Also, I don't think so we will drop that low. And 12-hour time frame, most likely what we can test, it's 68.52. So we've been here yesterday at 86. So I would like to see, of course, from yesterday a low like 20% lower, from this current prices is 34% lower. It will be the perfect scenario. With the week candle, we can see the test of 27 block like this one, consolidation. Everybody start showing some information. So it's over, we're going down to the bear market and we start recover back. All idea I will share on TradingView, so we'll come back and track it. So guys, I highly recommend you not skip the post, find the video on Telegram channel about the LTC from May 2023, so you will understand the logic. You know, so it's not only about the charts, about the lines, about the prices, you know, and the blocks. No, it's about a logic, how to build a logic for it's about a logic, how to build a logic for investment. Why exactly here? Why exactly this level? Where to distribute? And what about the timing? Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like to trade with my customer said what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.